Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making these delicious muffins. Let's do it. Before we begin, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Take 2/3 cup of flour, add in half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, add half a teaspoon of espresso powder or coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk till well combined. Add in 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Whisk again till well combined and a batter is formed. Finally, everyone's favorite part, add in chocolate chips. We added 2/3 cup of chocolate chips. Fold in your chocolate chips with a spatula. Line a muffin tray with cupcake or muffin liners. Fill them up 3/4 of the way with batter. If it gets messy, don't worry. Clean them up with a paper towel. Optionally, add in chocolate chips on the top. It gives it a very aesthetic finish, but you can totally skip it. Now bake it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. These muffins are so delicious and fudgy. Make them and share them with your friends and family. If you do, tag us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We would love to see what you make. Till next time, happy baking!